Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica Trenovec, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back. So guys, I'm starting off this vlog right here where I am washing clothes. Yeah, so I'm just washing our dresses. So our estate has been dealing with me with water and light. So this is a day in my life, like a Saturday routine day in my life. Normally on Saturdays I wash with washing machine, but this particular Saturday it was a blackout, no light, no water, and I needed to wash my clothes. So your baby girl has to wash with her hands. Yeah, so if you're new, thank you so much for joining. Kindly hit on the subscribe button, and my YouTube is all about DIY for hair growth, motherhood, and vlogs. If this is what you're interested in, kindly stay tuned. A little bit about myself: I am a Nigerian based in Nigeria. I am married to a Slovakian, and we have a little angel who just turned 1 year old just some few days ago. Yeah, if you've not seen that vlog, I will put it up here. Yeah, so keep on watching, fam.
Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show.
A few moments later.
Guys, I am done washing the first set. The next other set I'll wash them maybe next tomorrow and maybe in 2 days time, because of where I'm spraying my clothes. There's not enough space to spray. So I'm just going to wash my toilet. This is the last piece. I'm just going to spray this one. So we still have this one and this one, which I'll wash into 2 days time. So by that time this one has dried. So yeah, so this is how my Saturday is like. Yeah, sometimes I use the washing machine. Why I do not use washing machine is because our water yet is not still coming upstairs like in my apartments. Not only my apartment anyway, all the apartments in my estate, water is not coming up. So they said, I asked and they said they're fixing it. They're having issues, so they're fixing the water for, so it's be coming up. So I can't be waiting. It's like 3 days now or 4 days now. There's no water coming upstairs in my apartment. Today is Saturday and I need to wash clothes. These clothes, to wash them with my hands. Yes, as an African girl like me, I've washed the ones I've already washed already, and the other ones I'm gonna wash them maybe in 2 days time. By that time, the other one I washed, I guess it makes sense. The previous one I washed has dried because of the space where to spray clothes. Yeah, you know, when you wash clothes with your hand, and you squeeze it, it does not dry the way washing machine wash and dry your clothes for you. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Yeah. So let's continue. We'll continue the vlog.
So give me all the scars, I'm a human being.
So guys, so it's time for me to wash the toilet and clean everywhere, make everywhere look neat and sparkle. Yeah. So I hope you keep on watching and enjoying the rest of the vlog.
Go watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast.
So I'm done. I've already fetched water, and these are the remaining clothes that remaining. I'll wash those one later. I am done here. So time for me to feed my daughter. They take the lights. It's not hot to do fufu. It's on the general. Hi. Oh, wow. What? See how she's fine. Fresh from the oven. No, see my fine baby. Wait now. Let's show them your hair now. So guys, hubby decided to do some baking, and he's doing his childhood cake. Like, he had to call his mom to send him the recipe that he's craving his childhood cake. So like, he was like, when he was little, his mom always baked this cake for him, and he wants to try it and bake it for us to eat. So he's there baking and videoing him. He has no idea I was doing this video because he does not like featuring in my videos. So added this little princess here, and yeah, I hope you keep on watching the video. So I made lasagna for dinner for me and my baby girl, and hubby made cream sauce with pasta and chicken. Yes, so this lasagna was really nice. Yeah, and my daughter really enjoyed the lasagna. This was her first time eating lasagna, so she really enjoyed it, and I think I'll be making more of this for her. So here is the cake. He's done mixing everything. This is a chocolate cake with apple inside, and the top he added chocolates with walnut and raisin. Like, this cake was just amazing. This is hubby's food. Guys, we are all done. Thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. It has been a day. I'm trying to make baby get to sleep. She has showered, she has eaten. Time for her to sleep. Yes. So me, I am exhausted. The cake is ready, but not ready. Like, it has to mold, so it's inside the fridge. So when the cake is done molding, I'll just show you guys the ending result of the cake. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in our next vlog. Signing out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So I'll see you all later. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Good night, guys. So fam, this is the cake. Oh, this cake was so delicious. Like, kai, it was so nice. This was so delicious. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you all in our next vlog. Bye.